guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 32. Let's see how's the competition going. Your Highness, Banshek just came back from the countryside and she is not well thought with manners. Please do not blame her, Your Highness. Victory yields reward. Defeat incurs no punishment. There is no need to blame anyone. Pero syempre mapapahiya pa rin siya. Ano ka ba naman? Pogi na pagkakadrawing sa kanya dito. Huh? That ridiculous. I will definitely punish this rude thing Shuang properly. Master, I didn't bring the chin because it was a last-minute decision. Can I borrow your chin? Respectful. O diba? Wala daw yung manners yung ganyan, ha? Pero respectful masyado. Yes, of course. No need. Bring over my warm jade chin over. O diba? Papagamit sa kanya. Dala mo everyday? Kasi pinakuha niya lang eh. It is said that this warm jade chin was one of the dowries brought by Her Majesty and Empress worth a fortune. The body of the chin is pure white, warm like body temperature, and its strings are made of gold and silver threads. Tapos pinagamit nilang kay Bansha. Such a national treasure. Why would the Crown Prince let it out so easily? Diba? Why would Bansha, that wicked woman, be worthy of His Highness lending his jinn to her? Feeling mo lang kasi ikaw yung entitled. Feeling mo lang yon, girl. His Highness seemed uninterested when watching the dance, but now he's actually taking it seriously. Matalino ka. Solve it. However, His Highness has always enjoyed listening to music. Lending the chin was only to enhance the effect of the competition. Seriously, ang mahal-mahal niyan? Sa tingin mo, papagamit niya lang para makinig ng music? Be careful. Meron kang ganyan, di ba? Di gamitin mo yung sa kanya kasi gagamitin niya yung kay Crown Prince. Although I am unwilling to accept it, at this critical moment, no one dares to lend me a chin. I can only make do with the chin from Yu Bei. Accept, a bit reluctant. Touch. In my previous life, I was taught by Yu Bei in the art of playing the chin. Okay naman pala sila in past life, oh. Mabait naman sa kanya. Bakit kaya silang mabot sa ganun, ano? Feeling ko na-hypnotize talaga yun siya, eh. Ding dong. Ganda. Ganda niya tingnan. Delicately continuous, lingering sound. Hindi ba? Ilang taon nga siya dito ngayon? 14? I can hear the sounds of flowing water from the mountain and the falling of the pearls on the jade plate. Her music seemed to have emotions. Change her finger technique. Galing, oh. Ang pretty nga dito tignan. Tignan nyo. Napaka-enchanting. Speed up. Ito yung picture na naririnig mo yung sounds. Listen, suddenly it's getting faster. Such a profound and mysterious skill in playing the chin. Yes, it's impossible to predict the direction of the music after the tune. I can't keep up with this countryside girl's rhythm. O, di talo ka ngayon. Sino ngayon ang boastful masyado, ha? Bansha, your chin skills were immature, but the melodies were beautiful. Bakit immature? Sabagay, he loves music, so makakaano talaga siya. Makaka-give talaga siya ng opinion in regards with the music. Now, it whips with tears of blood. Diba? Seryoso na mukha niya. Tears of blood. So, ibig sabihin, may emotion dapat ni Iko. Ano niya dyan. Every tune seems to be conveying your sadness and grievance. Even author despair. The winner has turned up. Nakapikit lang siya. Ikaw, girl, kumusta ka dyan? Other side. End of music. In my past life, I only learned how to play the chin from you, baby. Opens eyes. Seryoso na naman masyado yung mukha niya. Grabe talaga yung naranasan niya in previous life, ano? Kasi dala-dala niya talaga yung hatred until now, eh. If only I had learned scheming and tactics, I would not have ended up with such a tragic outcome. The sound of this gin rises and falls, never ending like a whips of smoke. Good. Clap. This is the best piece of music I have ever heard in my entire life. I can't believe how emotionally engaging this is. It's truly a masterpiece. It's like a melody that resonates from 3 days, and the lingering sound is never ending. Come back to senses. Talo ka, girl. I was captivated by the sound of her chin and lost track of time. Your Highness, the outcome is already clear. Do we really need to judge? Nga naman, halata namang si Bansha ang nanalo. Your Highness, what are your thoughts on this? Paano niya kaya bibigyan ng punishment tong isa? Miss Ding should clarify her stance to Bansha. Oo nga, pinahiya mo kaya siya last time. Narinig niya yun. Anyway, this is the end of the chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next chapter then. So see ya! But please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone!